Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Reflection by Grand Design. This is a 150 series. I'm assuming that's the half-ton series. It's a 230RL. It's a rear living floor plan with slide out. You see up front here it has the fiberglass cap that will protect this investment for years to come. Also has solar resistant graphics, and it looks like it has probably a pretty sharp turning radius with that hitch. Down the side you can see we have tinted glass, storage compartments, outside speakers, awning, LED light strip behind the awning. Here we'll just take a gander at our hatch, magnetic fasteners, room for all your supplies that you want to bring along with you for your trip. Propane in here. It's got the alloy wheels, aluminum steps, radial entry door with the drip molding. We like those because they don't leak. Here's the model 230RL. Back side here has a ladder attached, camera ready. It also has this mobility cart rack that came with it. We got that locked on because I imagine that's a pretty valuable piece of aluminum there for somebody. The ramp where you can put your mobility scooter on there just makes it easier to tow it around. And then here on the back side you can see we've got another compartment that has access, and I think that's a sofa. We'll take a look at the inside. In fact, let's do that right now. Let's go ahead and hop in the inside. And here we are. Okay, that's the dinette, so that would give you access to the storage on the back side of the dinette. Otherwise you can access storage through these doors. Thomas Paine theater seating here in the back. We have end tables on both sides. Overhead we have storage compartments, AC unit, also a fantastic fan, big flat panel TV here, storage underneath. Look at all that. It's got a Furrion receiver right here. 3-burner stove that doesn't appear to have been used very many times at all. Oven underneath, microwave over the top, glass paneled cabinets, a single basin. They call that a farmer sink because it's one big sink instead of two little ones. We have some pretty nice sized drawers here. Whoop, that's why it wasn't open. You gotta pull out the books that go with it. More storage. And across from us, Dinette refrigerator freezer combination. A couple steps up and we were into the hallway here, and there's our bathroom on the right hand side. We have a foot flush toilet, some mirrored cabinet drawers, power roof vent, shower stall, sink, vanity mirror, and then finally into the bedroom. Queen size mattress. You'll notice there's no wardrobes like you traditionally see, but look how easy it is to get in and out of this, or to make the bed. You don't have a big wardrobe coming way out here. Has some smaller ones up above, a couple different types of light sconces. Maybe we can see how those work. Oh, there we go. Little reading light. Nice big bedroom window. And here's our wardrobe storage right here. It's also a solar panel on the roof. We got a charger unit right there. It's a pretty good size one. So hey, if you're looking for a great deal on a small fifth wheel that's half-ton compatible, check out this 230RL right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388, or see us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.